This seatbelt, Jesus, killing me. What's going on? Today is moving day. I originally hired a service to come move us, but I'm like, I'm a man. Let's do this ourselves. So I rented a U-Haul, and we'll see what madness ensues. Man, I should have just hired people. All right, I don't know if anybody's ever driven a U-Haul, but the steering isn't the best on it, and I think I'm swerving all over the road. People probably think I'm drunk. Wait, am I drunk? Drunk on life. All right, U-Haul, thanks for providing me the truck to do this, but damn. You give somebody a 27-foot truck and then say, here are the keys. We know you haven't driven anything like this before, but why not? Be sure you can handle it. But on the bright side, they did tell me to drive safe when I left, so. That's what's left. The move is done. 4, 5 hours maybe. I hate moving. The move is over. Now it's time for a nap.